The national capital has been rocked by a deadly car blast today, an incident that has left the city on edge. There's been a lot of speculation and fear, so we are bringing you only verified, factual information confirmed by officials. Authorities have confirmed that at least 13 people have been killed in the explosion, and several others have been injured. The blast took place near the Red Fort, specifically at a traffic signal close to the metro station. Officials have identified the vehicle involved. It was a Hyundai i20, which exploded around 6:52 p.m. local time. According to eyewitnesses, the car was moving slowly at a red light when it suddenly erupted into a fireball. Vehicles nearby were also damaged in the explosion. By 6:55 p.m., just 3 minutes after the blast, first responders were called in. Around 7 fire tenders rushed to the spot, and by 7:29 p.m., the fire was brought under control. Initial reports indicate that 6 cars, 2 e-rickshaws, and 1 auto rickshaw were also damaged in the incident. A short while ago, Prime Minister Narendra Modi released a statement on the tragedy, quoting him, "Condolences to those who have lost their loved ones in the blast in Delhi earlier this evening. May the injured recover at the earliest. Those affected are being assisted by authorities." The Prime Minister also said he had reviewed the situation with Home Minister Amit Shah and other senior officials. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has issued a separate statement confirming that all possibilities are being probed. He has already visited the hospital to meet the survivors and is expected to inspect the blast site shortly. Multiple agencies are currently on the ground, including the NSG, National Security Guard, NIA, National Investigation Agency, and the Special Branch. CCTV footage from nearby areas is also being examined. As of now, it's still unclear how the blast occurred, but the incident itself is deeply concerning. In response, India's paramilitary forces have been placed on high alert. The CISF, Central Industrial Security Force, has issued alerts at airports, metro stations, heritage sites, and government buildings, including the Red Fort, one of India's most iconic landmarks. Authorities have sealed off the entire area around the Red Fort and urged citizens to stay away from the vicinity. This is a developing story, and we'll continue to bring you verified updates as they come in.